Complaints about noise from the Granby Bow and Gun Club have been sent to the town's planning board. The select board referred the issue to the planning board after residents complained about noise coming from the gun club since it expanded about a year ago. The planning board heard from neighbors of the Bow and Gun Club tonight as they look into the changes the club has made.
We'll look at to see if they made any changes and if those changes were approved or not approved, or if there's any concerns that we have with the changes they made.
The planning board said the Gun and Bow Club has not had a site plan approved since 2010. The Bow and Gun Club did not speak tonight. A representative told 22 News they would publicly address the situation at an upcoming meeting.